Hi everybody, it's Cindy Matalucci, your host of The Pulse. I'm here on location with Dr. Ali Fakhimi. We are in Claremont Mesa. We're at Soft Touch Dental. I'm so excited to be here today. And I want to congratulate you on your 20-year anniversary. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
So exciting. So you've been in business for 20 years. You've got a passion for dentistry. Did you always know you wanted to be a dentist?
Well, it started off early on. I was into construction with my dad, and I like working with my hands. I started working with one of our local dentists, that was our family dentist, to see if I actually like it, and I was more fascinated about it. And next thing you know, I'm applying to dental school, and off we go.
I love that. Well, and there's so many dentists out there, but you have a niche. What really separates your practice from other dentists?
Well, it all starts with our practice and our staff. We are like a family here. We believe in providing the highest standard of care to our patients, just like we would to any of our family members. That's basically our motto. Your family, give them the highest standard of care, and just kind of connect with our patients that come in.
Well, and I love your office. It's so high-tech, it's beautiful. You guys just did a renovation here. You've changed the scheduling and some things that are happening here with your patients. Can you talk a little bit about that?
So we started our remodel even before the pandemic, roughly about a year ago. And it was our intention to make every exam room very private. We put glass doors everywhere to control the aerosols, to control the privacy of the patient, the noise, and nobody wants to see other patients, or even the patients don't want to see other people looking in while they're getting their dental treatment done. We wanted to kind of feel like a spa or a different atmosphere that relaxes them when they walk in.
Well, and let's talk about the high tech, because everything here is very high tech, from the chairs to the ventilation system. I mean, talk a little bit about what you've added here.
We have the highest quality and the highest technical chairs that the dental field has to offer, along with all of the other latest technology advancements, like making the crowns in the same bay, our CT scan machines here.
Well, and I have to ask this question. I know pricing is always an issue, but when it comes to larger factory type dentists, as opposed to you, you're very boutique and family oriented. Talk a little about that to us and to the viewers, and how you're different than those other practices.
So there's usually 2 or 3 reasons why patients veer away from dentists. One is anxiety, just to walk into the practice. 2 is their anticipation of pain, and the 3rd is the anticipation of the cost. So we take all of those factors into consideration. So we try to ease everything. We're very competitive with our pricing. We offer free second opinion consultations for every patient that wants a different consultation from a different doctor.
So Dr. Ali, you offer a very comprehensive package here. You have comprehensive services that you're offering to your client. So when a client comes into Soft Touch Dental, what can they expect?
When you come into Soft Touch Dental, everything fits together like a puzzle. Every employee is a very important aspect of that puzzle. And what that means to our patient, that things get done efficiently and to the highest standard of care. If one of those pieces of puzzle is not perfected, things will slow down and the patients will not get the quality that they deserve.
Well, and you have a new client special too.
Of course.
Which is amazing.
Yes.
So I think it's $99 for a new client special, so definitely ask for that if you come in. And then I was gonna say, just to mention with COVID-19 and everything that's going on in the protocols, I mean, obviously you come into your practice, you can see that sanitization is very high on your list. But how has that changed, and maybe what can you say to the viewers to make them feel comfortable about coming in?
Well, I've always had an OCD, whether it's at my office or at my house. Everything needs to be spotless. All my employees know that. I don't even like a speck of anything on the ground. So we were always doing that even before the COVID-19. Now with the COVID-19, we just stepped it up maybe even a notch higher. We have our plexiglass shields. We have all of our staff wearing masks and shields. Our ventilation system is already in place. Everyone wears the disposable gowns, foot covers, headrests, eyeglasses, everything, as well as the patients when they walk in. They give us a call before they enter the office, so we make sure they don't come into contact with other patients. We try to keep it very seamless and pretty pleasant for them, and very safe.
Well, and you've created such a culture here Would you talk to us a little bit about the culture that you've created?
I wouldn't call it a culture, I would call it more of a family. We created a whole family here about 20 years ago. Most of my staff has been with me 10 plus years. Everyone knows what's expected of them. I don't have to micromanage anybody. They know their job, they have perfected their job and their skills, and this is my second family. I spend as much time with them here as I do at home with my family.
I love that. Well, and can you give the viewers a tip on picking a dentist? If they're looking to find a dentist, what should they be looking for?
Look for someone that would actually meet your needs. See who you connect and bond with. You have to trust the person that's actually working in your mouth. Dentistry is a very intimate profession. And if you don't like the person, if you don't trust the person, that is the number one goal. After that, you gotta find out what their expertise are, what their skill level is, to give you the quality of care that you actually need. I may not be the perfect dentist for every patient, but that's what you need to look for.
Well, thanks so much for your time.
Thank you for coming.